Today I'll show you how to send money using Taptap Send, which is a great app, guys, for fast and reliable international transfer. So if you're ready, let's dive right in, guys. So, step number one, what you want to do is, if you haven't already, download the Taptap Send app from the App Store or Google Play. Just want to open it and log in or create a new account if it's your first time, okay? So in the app, what you want to do, guys, you'll see a list of countries you can send money to. You just want to tap on the country where your recipient is located. Look, TapTap Send actually supports many destinations, so you just find the correct one. Now, what you want to do next, guys, is you want to type in the amount of money you want to transfer. So TapTap Send will automatically show you the exchange rate so you can see exactly how much your recipient will receive. Okay, guys, so next step is you look, TapTap Send usually allows you to link a debit card or a bank account as your payment method. You just want to choose one that works best for you and then just enter your payment details if it's your first time, or simply select an existing one if you've used it already before. Next, guys, what you'll need is you'll need some information about the person receiving the money, such as their full name and phone number. So TapTap Send will actually guide you on what information is required for the given destination country that you're choosing. And once you've entered all the details, guys, it's a good idea to actually review the information and make sure everything is correct. Then just click on confirm and TapTap Send will process the transaction and the money should reach your recipient shortly, usually 0 to 30 minutes. And that's it, guys. TapTap Send makes international transfers quick and easy. And if you find this guide helpful, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to Ninja Guides for more helpful tips. I'll see you in the next video.